The Abu Garcia Black Max and Shimano Sienna setup is one of the best multi-purpose setups there are out there, and I'm gonna show you why. Oh, fish on, Black Max. Oh. My rod is going. Yes. It is.
That's huge.
One of the biggest questions you will have when you start fishing is what rod should I buy and what reel should I buy? I want to be able to do luring. I want to have the sensitivity for a light game. I want to have the power and strength in my rod to reel up some big fish from the bottom of the ocean. All of this might feel impossible to achieve with just one single setup, much less a setup that beginners can afford. That is, however, not true. This is the Abu Garcia Black Max and Shimano Sienna setup. This rod is a two-piece rod that can haul up to 5 kilo fishes. And the reel that comes with it is the Shimano Sienna 2500. This reel is the perfect size and the most versatile. It's good for luring, it won't feel too heavy, and it can also put in some good fights with some bigger fishes. So I'm gonna do some fishing and we'll see you guys on the water. I'm here in Pulau Ubin, Singapore, and I'm gonna be fishing around the Kelongs. These floating villages boast large populations of bait fish, attracting larger predatory fishes. I'm gonna drop down my rig and see how the Black Max performs. Alright, do a little bit of bites. Yes. Oh, red snapper. Oh my gosh, red snapper. Nice red snapper.
Wait, just catch anywhere now?
We can't hold it like instead of like this.
Yeah.
You hold it like this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Royce, fish on.
fish on.
Yes, like that. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay, look here. Nice. Like this. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
I photobomb.
Photo bomb by Roy. Okay. Nice.
Oh, fish on, Black Max. Fish on Black Max. Oh, that looks big. That's really big. Oh. Grouper. Come on. Get here. No. Stop. Yes,
so
grouper on
cute.
Black Max. So huge. Oh. Wait. Oh my god. Wait, this is like a 2 kg hybrid grouper, bro. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Okay, nice hook set. Oh my gosh, that's huge. Okay, hold it towards me. Alright, this is a very nice 2 kilo huge hybrid grouper. This Kelong is pretty good. Caught a crab, 1 catfish, and 1 grouper here. So we're gonna put this guy in the cooler and I'll try and get another one. My rod is going. Yes, fish on. Yes. Yeah, bro, don't let it go under the boat. Yes. Oh, another grouper. Yes. Okay, this grouper is slightly smaller than the last one. Let's go, another grouper. Nice. Oh, there's a lot of trash here. Nice grouper. This one seems to be around, I think it's like a kilo around. It's a lot smaller than the other one, but it looks like around a kilo. 1 kilo or 1.2 kilos, I think. Let's put our fish up on a makeshift stringer. Okay, hopefully the stringer works and I do not lose my fish. So now we know that this rod is strong, but how is the sensitivity on this rod? And how is the fight with some smaller fishes? Let's head out and let's find out.
You are the sunshine, you are the ocean to me. You are the the sunshine. You are the ocean.
I'm headed to St. John Island. This island is located approximately 6.5 kilometers off the south of Singapore. To get here, you can either go by ferry or private charter. It is one of the most beautiful islands in Singapore, offering stunning views and reefs. This also makes St. John one of the best islands to do some exotic multi-species fishing. The rig we're using today is the SGFishingRigz trusty tambon hooks, and let's drop that down and see what species we can get and how the fight is on the Black Max. Yes, yes, rest. Let's go. What rest is this? Alright, let's let it go. Oh, tusk fish. Alright, let's let this guy go. Bye bye. Yes, fish on. Yes. Yes, good size tusk fish. A nice size. And it was a great fight on the Abu Garcia Black Max. Nice tusk fish on the Abu Garcia setup. Let's let it go. Yes. Yes. So this rod worked really well at St. John. I could feel all the bites of the fish much better than all of my other setups, all of my other heavier setups that I usually use. So I would say this rod is perfect for some beginners to try out some multi-species fishing at places like St. John Island or even Bedok Jetty or Labrador Park Jetty. So we've seen some multi-species fishing. Now, one of the most common things you'll use any rod basically for is pond fishing. So let's head to Ah Lim's fishing pond and see what fish we can get with this rod and how this rod deals with some of the fish over there.
Bro, actually. Don't do it sideways, bro. Don't do it sideways, bro.
Oh, nice first fish.
That's small one, though.
Yeah.
That's small, though.
Yeah.
Small. Oh, that's small one, though.
Nice. Barramundi.
Got it, though. This is better than a deep bass already. Okay, wait, I take a picture for you, okay? Avatar. This is too small for Avatar.
No, try, just try.
Alright, close and get out. Yeah.
Come on, we have to be fast because catch rate is good. Yeah, but nothing's pulling. How can his one cross?
I think it's actually. Oh, never mind. I don't think it's a fish.
But how can that one cross? Oh. Alright.
Where has a fish on?
Yes.
Very big, though.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's gonna be huge. Okay, where's the fish on? It's gonna be huge. Do you need help?
No. It's fine. Can.
I think it's a grouper. Wait, is it?
Oh, another barrel. Oh, this one fights.
No. Okay.
What?
No, let me lift it up. Bro, block camera. No.
Wow, this one fights quite a bit. Not bad.
Isn't this? No, it's the same one.
Yeah. This isn't even in the mouth.
Alright, okay.
I think. Oh yeah, this one's bigger. Oh,
Just gonna keep recording.
yeah.
So if I move very. Oh no.
Huh? Oh, bruh.
So Ethan?
Eaten my tail. I think still can use.
Is the mom gonna pick you up first? Wow, my dad's phone driver.
Wait, but what's the difference?
Because I have no battery left.
Oh,
This one's also bending.
I think
Last night came.
last light came. Just now we lost like 2.
2 fish already.
Oh, coming. Coming, both coming.
Wait, where is your other one? Oh wait.
Wait. I think it's on, I think it's on.
Oh, get it.
Yes,
It's on.
it's on.
Now you can get it.
Yes, it's on. Oh. Oh. What the? What is on with this?
Oh, bro. A bit complicated.
What is this? Why so heavy? It runs a lot, Black Max.
Fish?
Yeah. It is. Oh. How is the mangrove jack so strong though? Gotta tighten up the jack. Whoa, it's actually strong. How is this fish so strong? A really strong mangrove. Stay on.
This is like the one I caught in Oh wait, no, this. That's huge.
I did. Bruh. He ate the hook. Must cut. Bro, this guy's so fat.
I must take pictures.
Yeah.
I must take pictures.
Come on.
Wait. Oh.
Yeah.
Let's go very
So I set the drag really light, and the fishes over there at Ah Lim really fought with this setup, and it was really fun trying to reel in those MJ and barramundi. Apart from the fishing styles we've seen today, mainly kayak fishing, multi-species fishing, and pond fishing, this rod is also good for offshore fishing and freshwater fishing. You can drop some sinkers straight down, kind of like kayak fishing on a boat, and you can do some luring. I didn't show that in today's video, but I did catch this fish while luring at Kayak. So in conclusion, the Abu Garcia Black Max and Shimano CN 2000 is one of the best multi-purpose setups that are out there. And you can head over to SGFishingRigz shop at Tampines to check them out, or just head to the link in the description. I do believe SGFishingRigz is the only retailer in Singapore currently selling this rod and having it in stock at their location. So I do recommend you guys check them out. They have some really cool rods like this one, really cool lures, and the best products are definitely their hand-tied rigs. I really recommend you guys check them out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Tight line.